So there are lots of happenings in sport, and Tahir Bhai is with us today. How are you doing, Tahir
Me
Bhai?
good, Akib. God is too kind. What about you?
Tahir Bhai, as we can see, there is a cricket ground as well behind. But are there matches happening in FC Quality? Is this, Tahir Bhai?
Yeah, Akib, that's why we're choosing this venue. It's a very new venue for our fans that we are not sitting in our routines venue. But the purpose of making our video in this venue was to familiarize our fans that our youngsters are also loving the cricket. So we tried to capture this moment in the camera. So despite our video, fans should also be familiarized and enjoy the cricket.
And Tahir Bhai, as we're talking about cricket, Ravichandran Ashwin announced his retirement, and people also remember him for those true sixes. How do you see he ended his illustrious career very quickly during the series there too?
Akib, my good wishes are always for Ashwin. He was one of my top pick in the spinning department as well. He was also very handy.
As a
batsman as well. I still remember the expression of Virat Kohli when Ashwin hit the six with the bat of Virat, and he was just stunned. He was just shocking. So it was a true love between the two great players, and Virat was equally emotional when the Ashwin career came to his end. So I think India will miss him badly. Cricket Asia will miss him badly. Cricket World of Cricket will miss him badly. But if players went out of the team, so now India will have the huge gap in their team, and they will be very difficult to find the place of Ashwin.
But Tahir Bhai, why did he leave during the series? As India has also drawn the test match, they managed to save the test match from a jaws of defeat.
Akib, the big players definitely announce their series at a very unorthodox time. They don't wait for the good time or bad time. They just announce in a very pleasant moment. So I think that was the reason that Ashwin announced the series in between the series. Otherwise, he might be frightened that despite the loss in this match, India might be struggle for winning in the upcoming match. So I think that's why Ashwin announced the series in between the series. But he was a very great person, great human being, as a great talent as well for the Sports India.
Tahir Bhai, as we're talking about Indian cricket, there are also news coming from the Indian cricket, domestic cricket, that during a match happening in one of their Azad Maidan, it's basically like a ground which we're seeing in FC College, a player had died due to a heart attack during a match. How do you see this, Tahir Bhai? It could be due to stress or personal reasons, as cricket has become very demanding. And why are players dying of such a young age?
कहाँ पे player died हुआ था?
It's in India.
In India. So Akib, the point, इसको cut कर लेना please. So Akib, the point which I want to raise over here is the personal health and mental health both have their own significance, right? Until unless the boards and the local governments in the sense of cricket won't look after the crickets in this sense, so this tragic incidents might not be stopped in future as well. Proper mental conditioning.
You remember Graham Thorpe, a few months ago?
Was a similar example, which is still very huge in the speed of cricket. But I think mental and psychiatrist department should be strengthened in the world cricket, especially in PCB as well. So if any incident can happen in India, it can happen anywhere in the world. So I think it's the best time for the world cricket to think about on the especially mental health of the player, what's going inside of the player. We are well familiarized with the outer performance of the player, but we don't know what's going on in the mind of the player. So overcome these issues, stop these issues in the future. So psychiatrists or psychological departments should be strengthened in the Pakistan Cricket Board, and the ICC should emphasize on the all board to at least mandatory have these sort of departments in their board.
And Tahir Bhai, as we're talking about also the Indian cricket, how do you see the future of Rohit Sharma's captaincy, as the Indian dressing room was pretty happy that the rain saved them from a precarious defeat, and they basically managed to save the test match, and still 2 test matches to go. His captaincy is in a lot of trouble.
Okay, the point over here is it's been a long time that whenever India is in trouble, they start praying for the rain and any other unavoidable.
This happens here also, Tahir Bhai.
Happens in here as well. So I think India is a very good team, very great team. So that's why they should strengthen their bowling and batting as well. So whenever any tough crunch situation come up front, so they would be able to, despite the fact of waiting for the rain or any other factor, they should be strengthened enough so they could overcome this sort of issue and win, pave their way for the winning of their own.
And lastly, before we conclude this video, Tahir Bhai, what about Pakistan's performance in yesterday's match? A tense victory for Pakistan, and then the next game is also tomorrow. What strategy should Pakistan go with as they are 1-0 up in the series?
Okay,
a very tense victory.
I'll request for the Pakistani team that they should not think about the loss of the T20, as they performed very well, exceptionally well.
In the first
match, it was the winning knock, and I am really happy for them. So same advice for them, that they should be positive, be persistent, be proactive, and think positive to wrap up the series. So they should. It's not the time for the Rizwan to play the role of Tariq bin Zayed. It's the role of whole team. They should act like a Tariq bin Zayed, and they should think only about victory.
But Tahir bhai, the way Saim Ayub and Agha Salman had performed, will this put pressure on Babar that the young guns are coming and they could take over his place? He also needs to step up.
Babar has a separate fan base. I repeat, Babar has a separate fan
base. Even though he's out of form.
Whatever he has achieved is just stupendous. No doubt he is out of form. Form is temporary, but class is permanent. So he's a classic player. He has a huge fan base. No doubt.
Still fans love him.
He is struggling currently, but in upcoming future, he is an asset and he is a top pick for the Pakistani fans, youngsters across the Asia, across the world. So Babar's place in the team won't be in any sort of difficult.
We want him to score a century tomorrow and win the series for Pakistan.
Akib, I request Babar again that he should, at least if he has done comeback, he should show his class, show his presence in the team. So he should make a not century. I will request him to make double century to give fans eye opener, and also PCB as well, and also those who speaks very unorthodox words against Babar. It will be a good answer by Babar through his performance.
Until then, thank you so much for time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will have you with another video. So guys, that's it for this video. Like, share and subscribe to Sports content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Tahir by side. Good give yourself and Allah Hafiz.